Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through OfferLab and I will show you how exactly OfferLab is going to help you to sell the digital products step by step. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end because I will show you how to create your product, upload the media, set the pricing, build a sales page and connect Stripe to get paid and even list your product on the OfferLab marketplace so that other people can sell it for you. So if you don't have an OfferLab account yet, you can just use my affiliate link in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for offerlab.com. When you land on the home page of OfferLab, you just have to click on the option of sign up. Then you need to sign up here with the help of your email address. It is super simple and easy to do. You will get this type of dashboard in front of you. So before hopping on how you can get started with it and how you can selling your digital products over here, let's just briefly understand what is OfferLab exactly and why people use it. So OfferLab is a platform where you can sell the digital products like ebooks, templates, guides, video courses, Canva products, PDFs, digital downloads, etc. The best part is that you can also list your product on their marketplace, which means other creators and affiliate can sell your product and you can pay them certain commission. So it is not only a selling tool, it is basically work like a mini affiliate marketplace. So here on this particular homepage, you will see a bunch of different tabs in the left hand side. By default, you will be on the home page, which is going to show you the analytics of the last 30 days. You can anytime click on this drop down menu in order to filter it out by the time. You will get the insights of your total primary sales here, your total affiliate sales, and your total earnings. So here, first of all, you will have to basically complete your profile. So when you click on the option of complete profile, it will ask what kind of creator are you. So among these given options, you just have to select digital product because we want to sell our digital products over here. Afterwards, simply press next in the bottom right hand corner. Now you need to provide a detailed bio for your business. So you just have to do that. Then press next in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, you need to provide some of the details about your business, like your business name, then your business website. Once you are done, click on the option of finish. So after completing your profile, it will rate you or it is going to give you the score over here on the top right hand corner. On the home page itself, when you scroll down a bit, you will see the option of adding an offer. So here, when you click on the option of add offer, it is going to show you your offers and your products. So since we haven't added any of the products over here, we haven't even created any of the offers here. So in order to create one, when you click on the option of sell in the left hand side, you will also get access to this particular page. So here we are in the library. So when you click on the option of create offer, it is going to ask you, what are you going to sell? So you need to give your offer name. So here, let's say I'm going to sell an ebook. After typing it, simply press next in the bottom right hand corner. Now select whether you want to sell a digital product or it is any e-commerce or physical product. So since it is a digital product, I'm going to select digital and press next. Afterwards, you just have to select the integrations. So it has given you Shopify, ClickUp, and we have WooCommerce. So here you just have to select any of the integration sections over here and then click on the option of integrations. After that, you can look for your product here in this list. If you don't have any product, simply click on the option of add product and then simply select your product from this particular list. Afterwards, when you press next in the bottom right hand corner, it is going to give you the option of setting the pricing. So here you can select either the simple pricing or tied pricing table. So after providing the pricing, simply press next in the bottom right hand corner. You can add additional prices if you want. Then when you are done, click on the option of create offer. Now your offer is going to look something like this. So here you can just take a look at it by clicking on the sell option and going to the library option. Now in the offer, it gave us the option of adding the product. So here when you click on the option of your products, you can click on the option of add the product. Now you can either connect Shopify, ClickFunnels, WooCommerce, Square or ShipStation with it, or you can also create a new product here on your own. So since I've selected the option of ebook, I'm gonna typing it here as well. In the description, you can type the description about the ebook. Afterwards, in the category, simply click on this drop down menu, then select the topic of your ebook. So let's say it is relating to website designing. After doing so, click on the option of save on the top right hand corner. So once the product is created, you will have to upload its media here. So in the media, click on the option of this drag and drop option. After that, click on the option of upload. Now click on the option of browse, and from your gallery, you just have to upload your product which you want to basically sell. After providing these details, your product will be added successfully. Just make sure that you click on this save option so that all of your changes get saved. Now, if you want to sell multiple versions of a product, OfferLab is going to give you the option of variations as well. For example, you can sell basic ebook or ebook and the bonus checklist. You can add the ebook or the template pics. So here, when you just simply select your product, you'll get the option of variations here in the bottom. When you click on it, you will be able to basically enter the variations based on these variation options. So here, if you want to add or create your own, you can select any of these options over here. Now variations is optional, but it helps you want the higher pricing options. So here, after adding the product and after creating the offer, you can basically set the pricing. That too comes in the offer section. So here, once you are done, you can start editing your sales page. So here, when you click on any of these sections on the page, you will see the edit icon right next to it. With the help of it, you can change the text, the headings, the colors, images, background as well. So once you are done, you just have to simply publish your listing. So once your listing is published, it will be available on the OfferLab platform. It will be visible for everyone and everybody can use it. Now, let's just understand how you can connect Stripe with it in order to get paid. So OfferLab mainly uses Stripe. So here, in order to connect it, simply just look for the option of Stripe here, either on the home page, or you can directly go to the option of your profile. Then here, click on the option of payments. Over here, you will find connect with Stripe option. When you click on the get started option, it is going to ask whether you are from United States or any other country. So after selecting it, click on the option of get started. Afterwards, you need to provide your Stripe account details and then the integration will be successful. So this way you will be able to sell the digital products on OfferLab step by step. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.